All right, so I'm gonna go now. On my mobile phone, I'm gonna go into Trimble SiteVision, and it's gonna load up SiteVision for me. It's gonna look at my subscription, and it's gonna load this project. I can cancel that because I want to load the one that I just created. So I'm gonna go out, click on the three lines down here. I'm gonna go to Load Model, click on Trimble Connect, and we'll back out to my projects. So as it loads my projects, there's my site data prep project, the one I just created. We'll select that. We'll come in here and pick this TRB file. Go ahead and pick on the view. You can see it's going to load the project. And there's our surface. So as I look around, I can see some of the line work. If I go up to the layers, I can come down here and I can turn off my finished ground surface, and you can see the line work there. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to come in and I'm going to place the model manually, top of model. I'm going to set myself right up in here. We'll go next, and now you can see there's my storm pipes and my storm network, and I can change the transparency. And now I could, again, if I was out in the real world, out in the field, out at the project location, I would be able to walk around and do stuff, such as measure. So if I come in here, I can, measure my shots. I can measure my cut fill, and I can measure my distance. So a lot of things I can do here with SiteVision, and the same model that I use for SiteWorks and EarthWorks for construction. So I can even make sure that what they're building out there is in the right location.